How are we doing today? Just a little quick video. I'm back in the saddle. I haven't been taking many pictures lately, but I came out tonight because the sun is doing some pretty cool stuff. If you look over here behind me, we got a cool sunset going on. But what I want to talk about is not taking the obvious shot. A lot of people would want to take that shot right there into the sun because all the color is over there. I, on the other hand, my eye has been caught by this saguaro cactus right here. Check this out. That is awesome. Look at that golden light on that cactus right there. The sun is just coming down below the clouds right now, and it's casting golden light right across this valley I'm in right here. And there is a really cool cloud that is just raking across the sky right there. And to me, that is more pleasing to the eye, and that's what's caught my eye, rather than all the color that's over there. I like this composition right here. Let's get another one of those while we're here. What are we doing this at? F9, 25th of a second. I'm focusing on the cactus right there. Oh, I gotta get my glasses out. Oh, look at this light. Look at this light. Okay, hang on a second. Check the focus. That looks pretty good. And 2-second timer. I really like that golden light, and I like the drama in the sky. It's a little more difficult to get shots against the sun like that, and that would be everybody's. I mean, it can be done. Don't get me wrong, it can be done, and that would be everybody's first move, would be to go take that shot right there with all that color over there. But photography is not about taking the shot that everybody else takes. You take the shot that catches your eye and the things you want to take pictures of. And for me, with this golden light on this cactus right here, which is really lighting up right now, look at that. We got some drama in the sky, and my raking cloud is kind of going away. But if you look at the see how this cloud comes down in there like that, and this cloud comes down in there like that, and it's kind of pointing at that cactus. I like that composition. The gold on the, oh, I gotta brighten this up just a tad now for this shot. There we go. We're down to a 15th of a second. I can probably get it down to, let's take that. But I'm shooting it on a tripod with a 2-second timer, so it's very steady. I can go a lot slower shutter speed than that. But my point is that you should, whatever catches your eye, that's what you take a picture of, because that's what interests you when you first saw it. And that's what happened with me over here. So it's not always about the most obvious shot. You take the shots you want to take. I have been places where photographers have been lined up taking photographs in this direction, and I'm the only one in the line that's shooting over this way because I saw something over there that caught my eye. Plus, I didn't want to take the shot that everybody else was taking. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm going to take this shot right now. I'm going to turn around and take one. But my point is, take the shot and create the art and create the image that you want, not that you think everybody else would like. It's what you like and what you find interesting. All right, I'm going to go. I got some more pictures to take here. Just a quick one today. Get out and take some pictures. I'll see you next time.